Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete account in Zangi. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Zangi app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on your screen, you're going to see options like chats, calls, contacts, and settings at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and select settings. Now under settings, go to privacy, and from there you're gonna have to tap on delete account option. Once you tap on it, go ahead and select delete when they ask you if you're sure that you want to delete your account. Once you do that, you'll successfully delete your Zangi account. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.